when you're doing a design and construction project, there's a lot of information required to get a project realized. Not only that, there's a lot of people involved in creating all that information. And as architects, we are one of the primary generators of that data. And over time, as a project moves from pre design all the way through to construction complete, there's just a lot of information floating around in different formats, different places. Some of it is paper, manual, and others are digital. But oftentimes we realize that all the information that we are generating builds upon the information that came before. For example, if you're doing something in DD, you're not starting over a new project. You're using all that decisions and models that were generated in SD in order to move the project forward, right? You're not going to reinvent the wheel with new phases. The point of the design process is to build upon what came before. And obviously, as the project grows, more information gets put into it. And so it becomes really important for us to manage all of that in a single place. Otherwise, people are going to get lost and confused in terms of where can I find this file or what was the latest door spec that we decided to use. Thinking through how we organize information will help smooth the project delivery process for all of us.